In today's video, I'm going to show you how to subtract shapes properly in PowerPoint using pictures and videos. This technique helps you create eye-catching slides by cutting out shapes and text from your images for a modern and creative look. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation you want to edit. Now, go to the slide that contains the image you want to work with and make sure it's selected. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top and choose Text Box. Type any text you want on top of your image. Make sure the text overlaps the part of the image you want to carve out. Once you've positioned your text, click on the image to select it. Then hold the Shift key and click on the text box. This will select both objects together. Now, go to the Shape Format tab at the top. There, you'll see the Merge Shapes option. Click on it and choose Subtract from the drop-down menu. PowerPoint will instantly remove the text shape from your image, creating a cutout effect that looks professional and stylish. And that's it. You've successfully subtracted shapes from your image in PowerPoint. Try experimenting with different shapes or videos to create unique designs for your slides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.